Hi Zooshettes, I'm Kitty from Zooshii and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon train. So first up what we do is we draw a rectangle. A longish rectangle, I guess. Like that. And then we're just going to break that into another rectangle going up and across like that, and then break it into another rectangle just like that. And we're going to bring a curved line down like that into the back. Then we're going to add another rectangle for the window, and then a half circle for like a little bell, and then another rectangle for the chimney. So this is kind of like a steam train. And then another rectangle across the top. For the top part of the chimney. Then at the front, we're going to use that line as a guide and just draw a really thin oval. There like that. And then along the bottom, draw another rectangle. Make sure we take that right to the end there. Like that. And then break that into one rectangle there and one rectangle there. And then from there, take a little line, then curve it around, take a line across the top, and then curve it back down into another little line there. Like that. And then at the front, again a little rectangle with an oval there like that. And then we'll add some little smoke, little puffs of cloud coming out as smoke out of the chimney. So I'm just going to draw some really fluffy cloud shape, just a little one, and then just slightly offset to the side and slightly bigger. We'll draw another one, and then slightly bigger again and more offset. We draw another one just like that. And then for the wheels, draw a circle there, then another circle there, then another circle there, then another circle there like that. Then we're just going to connect them by just a really long rounded rectangle. Like that. Then we're just going to bring a smaller circle in the inside of these ones. Just add a bit of detail to the wheels. Like that. Then for a little trailer, let's make a little trailer of coal or something. We bring those lines across and make another little rectangle there like that, and then break that into 1, 2, 3. Take a little line across, and then like we've done here, bring a slightly curved line up and then down like that. And then add a bigger rectangle on the top. Bring a line out from this one as a guide. And then we just bring that down like that. to put some detail in this coal bit, we just draw almost like the top part of a cloud there, and that's just to give it a bit of texture, and then we add a little bit of detailing in there, but again just drawing little bits of cloud, like rounded lines in the top. Then to join it, draw a little curved line there, sorry, a little curved rectangle there and there, and then just join them by a circle like that. And then we'll add some wheels as well, so we're just going to take a guideline across like that to get the position of the wheels. And then we draw a circle, and then another circle here. Just draw a little bit bigger, like that. And then like we've done here, we just add a little bit more of a circle in there for some detail. Like that. And then what we do is we grab our black pens and go back in and ink in the pencil lines. Then we just go back in and double up the thickness of the main parts of the illustration to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. And then we just go back in and rub out the pencil lines. So there you have it, a cartoon train. Happy drawing!